my name is Kelsey. Today we're gonna unbox this box. So we have this activity. This is the Wipo Double Color Creamy. Let's open it. Let's see the instruction. This is the one is inside the blind bag. There's the creamy and there's the toy blind bag. You see the stuff? Peach stuff. So you must to cream the peach stuff so it would be like this. And some instruction and some maybe stickers. Maybe like this. I don't know what it's called.
Let's
Unbox it and let's take it. This is the tube one, but this one is clear, and this is different because this is a flower, and this is like a star. And the top is also really different with the color of the simple one. This is the big one, this is the small one. And the color is, this is the clear one, and this is the white one. That's sticking to it. I just... What is it? Oh! This is the review of the frozen set baking. Subscribe and comment down below. I love you. Stay sweet.